Hello children, how are you all? Yeah, I hope everyone is fine. Am I right? Yeah, well and good. So what we discussed in the before session and I gave homework also. Am I right? How many of you have done that? How many of you have done that some? And I hope everyone understood that topic. Am I right? Average speed and what is the speed, and also everyone got what is the meaning of motions and how many types of motions are there and what are they, and also what we read, what is the time, so the distance which are traveled and the time taken by that is also called as a speed. So that all we discussed in the before sessions, and we have completed our lesson explanation. Okay, well and good, we have completed 4 lessons. Okay, so okay, we have completed 4 lessons, but reading part, so how many of you are reading? I already said no, so we are having FA1 exams. I too don't know exactly the date, so I'll intimate you soon. But you have to read. Am I right? So I said that maximum 3 lessons will be there for your FA1 portion. So try to read that lessons so that it will be easy to you people to write the exam in a proper way, and you will get good appreciations from your parents also. Yeah, my kid is reading, so if they are staying in home also, they are well and good and they are doing their work. So you have to get good appreciations, and they have to get, if you are getting good appreciations means they used to give some gifts to you people. Am I right? So if you want that gift means you have to read properly and you have to gain good marks, because at this time, so maximum you will not you get good appreciations from us. So you are staying in home only, no? So if you are reading well, then from where you will get the appreciations? Yeah, from your parents side. My kid is reading, my kid is following every video and they are watching it, and they are following that, they are doing their works. They have to feel in the same way, and if they are in school also, they used to do in the same way. So if they are having hope on you, once they are having trust on you, then you will be the number one person in their minds. So try to get good good name, and yeah, so your good name from your parents. So if you are getting, so whoever, so the outside person, whoever telling that you are a good person means, if you are well and good in your home, then only the outside person will also tell that yeah, he is good, he will do this work in a given time. So in the particular time whatever we are giving, he will do that work. So he is very good person, and also he is so much honesty, because he will do the work in a period of time, and also he will not tell the lies. So in that way, if other one is telling to your parent about you in a good way, then how your parents will feel, how they will enjoy in their inner feelings, how their inner feelings will be. Yeah, so in the same way, if you are reading at home in a proper way, then they used to feel very very happy. You don't know, you may not see that in their eyes, but compulsory they'll be having their feeling, because I am also one of a mother. Am I right? So I'll also feel in the same way about my kid. So if my kid is doing best, so then I used to feel yeah, he is doing in a best way. So now if I'm showing the proper guide to him, then he will be on a top level. So I'm having hope on my son. So in the same way, your parents also should have hope on you. So they should not tell that my child is not listening my words. I should not hear from your parents, and I have to hear that yeah, I am having hope on my son and my daughter, they can do. I hope everyone, I think every parent have the same view, but so some of you are too naughty, so reduce that naughtiness. Naughtiness should be there, and a part of that you have to read. I already said so many times to you people only, no? I am also too much naughty fellow when I am in the studying level. When I am studying, I am also the best person in the naughtiness. But in the same way, I used to read, so that it will be balanced way. So if you are doing that both, then everyone will not have the hope that So if they want to scold, in which way they will scold? So you are well and good in studies, and if you are well and good in studies means, so in which way they will scold? They are not having any hope to scold for. So children, so many times I said you this. So I am telling you, because you have to be in the top level. It's well and good. So after this, what you are going to discuss? Yeah, we have completed our fourth lesson explanation part. Am I right? So today we will complete the workbook part, so that we will take the workbook part in 2 days. Am I right? So today I will explain the big part, and the next day I will tell you question and answers, how you have to write, and also CW part, what you have to write in the CW, so that we will complete our fourth lesson, and we will go to the next lesson. Okay, so well and good. So everyone, open your workbooks. Open your workbooks. Open your workbook, page number 68. So everyone, open your workbook, page number 68. So which lesson we are discussing, children? Lesson number 4, motion and lesson number 4, motion and time. Motion and time. So we are discussing motion and time workbook part in today's session. See here, children. A train covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. Equal distance in equal intervals of time. So keep it in mind, children. Equal distance in equal intervals of time. So equal distance in equal intervals of time means which motion, children? Equal distance with equal intervals of time means which motion? Uniform motion. So yesterday only we discussed, so if it is equal distance and equal intervals of time means it is uniform motion. If it is non-equal distance and equal intervals of time means it is non-uniform motion. So yesterday itself we discussed this. Alright? So well and good. So the next one. So now I said you the answer. What is that? Uniform motion. The first one is uniform motion. So first one is A. The second one, a book lying on a table is an example of a body at rest, a body in motion, a body neither at rest nor in motion, none of this. So a book is lying on the table. We are not doing any work with that book. So it is just staying on the table. Then it is in rest, or it is in motion, or it is in both. It is in rest. Am I right? So we are not doing any work with this book. Just it is lying. So think this as a table, and it is just lying on the table. It is not doing any work. Am I right? So you may tell that you are very naughty fellows. No, you may tell that, yeah ma'am, you are holding and it is moving. Don't tell such kind of words. Okay, just. So what is this? A book will be in rest if it is lying on the table. The next one. The motion described by a string of a guitar is oscillatory, vibratory, non-periodic, and translatory. So how it will be if it is for guitar, how how the strings will be there, so how the motion will be. So if you are playing the guitar means the strings will be oscillatory or vibratory. Yeah, vibrate. So the strings will be there, they will vibrate when we play guitar, they used to vibrate. So it is B. So the next one. Motion. The motion described by a string of a guitar is sorry, I read the same. Sorry. So the next. Motion of a screw while going into the wood is an example of linear and spin motion, oscillatory and rotated motion, translator motion, rotator and a linear motion. So how it will be, children? How it will be? So when the for example, think this is a wood. So if you are think this as a screw. When we are taking it inside, so when we are doing like this with the string, so how it will be? So it will rotate. It will rotate and it will go in a straight way. So it will have rotator and linear motion. So rotatory and linear motion. So what is the option? It is D. Displacement is a dash quality. Displacement is a scalar quantity or vector quantity, or both. None of these. Displacement is a vector quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. Option B. The next one. An example of curved linear motion. Curved linear. So it will be in a curved path. Means what is an example? An apple falling from the tree, a spinning wheel, motion of a pendulum, throwing of a javelin. So if you are throwing a javelin, then it will be moving in a curved path. For example, an apple is falling from the tree. We don't know that it will be coming in a straight way or it will move aside. So, but it will not be in a curved path. So, motion of a pendulum will be to and fro motion, but it will not be in a curved way. So, a spinning wheel also will be moving, but it will not be in a curved path. So, the option is throwing of a javelin. So, the next, the basic unit of time is unit of time will be basic unit. Basic unit means minutes, hours, seconds, kilometers. Basic unit means, yes, basic units means seconds. Basic units means seconds. The next one, motion and rest both are absolute, fixed, relative, none. Motion and rest will be relative. Motion and rest will be relative. So the next, movement of a housefly shows dash motion. Movement of a housefly. So if housefly is moving means it is in which motion? Which motion, children? Yeah, it will be housefly. Housefly means we can tell that it will be in a uniform motion. We don't know that it will be in a particular time intervals. It will not be. So it will move in a different path. So it will be a non-uniform motion. So option B. So the next one. The motion of the earth around the sun is called periodic, non-periodic, translator, none. So which motion it will be? Yeah, periodic motion. So it will be in a periodic motion. Means A. So the next. The earlier instruments used to estimate time. So before this, how they used to estimate the time? So how they used to estimate? Digital clock, wristwatch, sundial, stop clock. Yeah, children, this is very interesting, and you people also can learn this. How it will be before. For example, if in your house your grandmother is there or your grandfather is there, just ask them what is the time now. So without seeing the watch, they will tell an approximate time. How they will tell? Children? Yeah, by seeing an outside atmosphere, the sundial. So, for example, so the sun will be there. No? So, by seeing that sun, if it is in the morning session, they used to tell that the time is around 9 to 10, 9 or 10. So, if it is in the afternoon session, they will tell that it is 12. And coming to the after that evening, it will be there. No? The sun sets. So, at the time, they will tell. So with the help of that sundial, they are not having any watches. in the olden days. By seeing the sun only they used to tell the time. Yeah, children. So everyone is clear with that. Alright. So what is that? In the olden days, what they had to do? What they used to do? Yeah, they used to watch the clock with the help of sundial. They used to tell the time with the help of sundial. Yeah, children. Everyone is clear with this. Am I right? So the next one. Speedometer shows the distance traveled in kilometers, meters, kilometers per hour, meters per second, kilometers per hour. The path traveled by a body in the given time intervals is called displacement, speed, velocity, distance. The path traveled by a body in the given interval of time. What is that? Distance. The distance will be calculated by a given interval of time. They will be moving. Am I right? So next, the instrument used for measuring distance used for measuring distance. See clearly, children. They are not telling that used for measuring speed. They are asking that their distance means odometer, speedometer, altimeter, all of them. What is that? Yeah, odometer. 1 kilometer per hour equal to dash meters per second. Yesterday only we read this. 5 by 18. 5 by 18 meters per second. So till here we have completed our multiple choice questions. So now coming to the match the following. So column A, to and fro. Second one velocity. Third one potter's wheel. Fourth one drums membrane. Fifth one speed. And the column B, rotatory motion, scalar quantity, scalar quality, oscillatory motion, vector quantity, vibratory motion and translatory motion. So what is that? To and fro. To and fro means which motion? Yeah, oscillatory motion. So matching. To and fro means oscillatory motion. Velocity. Velocity means which motion? Velocity means which? Vector quantity. Velocity will be calculated by vector quantity. Potter's wheel. Potter's wheel will be, so wheel, how it will be? It will be in a rotatory motion. Potter's wheel will be in a rotatory motion. For example, not only potter's wheel, if you are taking any wheel also, which motion it will be? It will rotate. The wheel will rotate, no? So if you are traveling by a car, if you are traveling by a bike, whatever it may be, so it will be in a rotatory motion. Am I right? Drums membrane. Drums membrane. So drums. So if you are seeing the drums membrane means how it will be? It will be in a vibration. So vibrations, how the guitar will be, in the same way for the drums membrane also. So it will be in a vibratory motion. So drums membrane will be in a vibratory motion. Speed. Speed is which? Scalar quality. Scalar quantity. Okay. Scalar quantity. Okay. So up to now we have read this. So here we have read two different words. Scalar quantity, vector quantity, scalar quantity and the vector quantity. Okay, these are the two different words we have read in this session. Am I right? Okay, well and good. So today's homework is, what is scalar quantity, what is vector quantity, and what are the examples of this? That you have to write. If you don't know, I will tell in the next session. So in the next session, I am going to explain. So what is the scalar quantity and what is the vector quantity? Before that only, I gave you a homework. What is that you have to find out? Okay, what is that you have to find out, and you have to give me the answers. Okay, so you have to write this in your homework homework book. So this is the end of our session. In the tomorrow session, I will be with two people along with workbook questions and also the CW part. Okay, till then, stay home, stay safe, have a nice day. Thank you for watching.